Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode at Rescoli by Carlo. So, what did we do today? Simples. We have had these for the last couple of months. These are wooden coasters you can find at any shop that sells them, obviously. And we simply designed them with some clay molds and some paint, obviously, and then with browning wax. These are the things you would need for this project. We started off by using these molds to get the shapes we wanted. And then we painted the white clay, because obviously we used the white clay. We painted it with salt of the earth. So basically you can use any color you want, especially during some festivities like Christmas, Valentine's Day. So you can use red, green, blue, but we wanted them to look especially vintage. So when the paint was dry, we used the Frenchic Gorgeous Gold to get a little bit of glamour on them. Then we glued the molds on the coasters. And gave some browning wax all over and removed obviously the excess so that the molds would look much prettier. Thank you very much for following us, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rescoli by Carlo, of course. Thank you.